Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. In today's session, let us see a new lesson, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. This lesson is written by Satyajit Ray. He was a very famous film director as well as a writer. And here Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. What do you mean by lapse here? Lapse means a temporary failure for a short time. The person named Bipin Chaudhary, he lost his memory. What made him to lost his memory? Let us see in the lesson. Okay. Before that, let's have an introduction about lesson. Do you have a good memory? Has your memory ever played any trick on you? Forgetfulness often puts you in tight spot. Forgetfulness, forgetting, it is quite natural human tendency. Okay, but it sometimes puts us in a tight spot. It puts us in a difficult condition. But forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. Here, but forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. One particular part that is also very significant event you are forgetting in your life. All the other things you can recall, but one very significant event of your life you are forgetting. That may lead you to crazy. By thinking about that, you may become what? Crazy. Crazy means mad. In this story, Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. In this lesson, Bipin Babu he becomes what? Crazy because he cannot recollect his stay in Ranchi. He went to Ranchi, he stayed there, but he could not recall that. He has never been to Ranchi, he insists, though there are many witnesses to the contrary. He strongly believes, strongly believes that he had never been to Ranchi. But there are some people who had seen him that he went to Ranchi. Many people had seen he went to Ranchi, he had been to Ranchi. But he himself could not recall that. He himself believes that he had never been to Ranchi. What is the suspense all about? Then what is the suspense here in this story? Let us see in the text. Let us start the lesson. Every Monday, on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kali Charan's in New Market to buy books. Crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. He lived alone, was not a good mixer, had few friends and didn't like spending time in idle chat. Today at Kali Charan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from the close quarter. See here. Every Monday, on his way back from work, after completing his work, while he was going towards his house, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in Kali Charan's in New Market to buy books. He used to visit every Monday. He used to drop in Kali Charan's. Here Kali Charan's means a big bookshop. He used to visit that bookshop every Monday to buy books. Okay. Crime stories, what kind of books he used to purchase there? Crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. Okay, these kind of books he used to purchase. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. At a time, he used to purchase 5 books, at least 5 books he used to purchase so that they have to last him for 1 week. Okay, up to 1 week he must read those books. For that purpose, at a time he used to purchase at least 5 books. He lived alone, was not a good mixer. He lived alone. He did not have family. And he was not good mixer. What do you mean by mixer here? He was not ready to mingle with other people. He always used to be alone. Okay. He doesn't want to mingle with others. Had few friends. And didn't like spending time in idle chat. And he did not like spending time in idle chat. What do you mean by idle chat? See here. Unnecessary routine conversation. Unnecessary talking. Okay. Just for spending time purpose talking. Unnecessary things. He did not like such kind of unnecessary talking, idle chat. Today, at Kalicharan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. See here, he was there in the bookshop, Kalicharan bookshop. At that time, he had the strange feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters, from very near. Someone is observing him. Like that, a strange feeling came to him. He turned round and found himself looking at the round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into a smile. That's why, in order to get it confirmed, he turned back. Okay? Turned round and found himself looking a round-faced. Then he found a round-faced, meek-looking man. Meek means quiet or humble. Okay. He saw round-faced, meek person there, who now broke into smile. And that man, he smiled towards Bipin Chaudhary. I don't suppose you recognize me. That man said, haven't you recognized me? Haven't you recognized me? Like that person asked. Have we met before? Asked Bipin Babu. Then Bipin Babu asked, have we met before? For him, that person looked very strange. For the first time he was looking. But that person asked, haven't you recognized me? That's why he is asking, have we met before? Asked Bipin Babu. The man looked greatly surprised. We met every day for a whole week. I arranged for a car to take you to the Hudru Falls in 1958 in Ranchi. My name is Parimal Ghosh. Then that man looked greatly surprised. For a moment he was surprised. Then he said, we met every day for a whole week. Okay, we met every day for whole week. Whole week we used to meet each other. I arranged for a car to take you to Hudru Falls. And I arranged you a car to take you to Hudru Falls. It's a falls name